Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off your hot and cold water supplies. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE washer pressure switch hose. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new pressure switch hose. The pressure switch hose goes from the bottom of the outer tub up to the water level switch, and it tells the water level switch when the tub is full. The main reason to be changing it out is if it has a hole in it and the tub is overfilling. In order to get to the pressure switch hose, we're going to remove the screws that hold the console on. We're going to use our Torque 20 screwdriver to take them out. Once you have the 4 screws out, you can push the console forward. Once you have the console forward, we can pull the hose off the water level pressure switch. Once you have the hose off, we can go open up the front of the washer. To get the front panel off, we're going to go in about 4 inches from each side with our putty knife. And there's a little locking tab. You can push in on it. Spring loaded, you'll feel it. Once you have it pushed in, you can pull the panel forward a little bit. And once you have it released like this, you want to hold it, and then we can go do the one on the other side. Once you have the panel released, you can pull the front panel back and lift it off the support brackets. With the front panel out of the way, we have access to the pressure hose. It runs from the left side of the tub up and over to the back inside the console. To get it out, we're going to push the tub over to the side so we can reach up and pull it out. Follow the hose up to this black tube. The tube just supports it to where it runs up to the back of the washer. So we're just going to grab it and pull it all the way out so we can get it out of the washer. Once you have it out, we can take this clamp off. All you have to do is untwist it and take it off the hose. And let it fall down the support rod. We'll put it on the new hose. And then we can pull the hose off the side of the tub. Once you have it disconnected, you can pull the pressure switch hose out of the washer. Here's the old pressure switch hose next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. First thing we're going to do is attach the pressure switch hose to the fitting on the side of the tub. All you have to do is line it up and push it all the way down. Once you have the pressure switch hose pushed all the way down, we're going to grab the little clip and connect the hose to the support rod. Once you have it through, you want to make sure that it's locked. All you have to do is twist it together. And then you can pull the hose up so we can run it through the support tube that goes to the back of the washer. Once you have it all the way through, we're going to reach back and route the hose on the outside of the hinge right here and then up through the hole in the console. Once you have the pressure switch hose routed properly, you can let go of the tub and we can put the front panel back on the machine. To put the front panel on, we're going to rest it onto the support brackets and push it up into place so the top clips lock it on. To connect the upper end of the new pressure switch hose, we're going to grab it and lift the console up, making sure that these 3 tabs go into their holes. And then we can rotate it up just enough so we can connect this hose to the switch. Once you have the hose pushed on all the way, we can rotate the console up the rest of the way and use our Torque 20 screwdriver to put all the screws in. Now that you have the washer put back together, we can plug the washer back in, turn the water back on, and take first spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.